Which synonym belongs to tithe? The correct answer is decima. Which synonym belongs to emolument? The correct answer is payment. Which synonym belongs to beneficent? The correct answer is beneficent. Which synonym belongs to spontaneity? The correct answer is abruptness. Which synonym belongs to choice? The correct answer is cream. Which synonym belongs to consequential? The correct answer is considerable. Which synonym belongs to distraught? The correct answer is distressed. Which synonym belongs to bigotry? The correct answer is bigotness. Which synonym belongs to sterile? The correct answer is infertile. Which synonym belongs to autocratic? The correct answer is dictatorial. Which synonym belongs to appurtenance? The correct answer is contenement. Which synonym belongs to insubstantial? The correct answer is unsubstantial. Which synonym belongs to impute? The correct answer is assign. Which synonym belongs to behemoth? The correct answer is colossus. Which synonym belongs to remote? The correct answer is clicker. Which synonym belongs to cabal? The correct answer is camarilla. Which synonym belongs to concur? The correct answer is cooperate. Which synonym belongs to lush? The correct answer is sappy. Which synonym belongs to calumny? The correct answer is vilification. Which synonym belongs to monarchy? The correct answer is kingdom.